everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Crack That Turning Problems into Solutions. This is me Priyasha Das and this is the solution video for the previously made conclusion type critical reasoning video. So if you haven't visited that video, I suggest you to go to the description box, check out that video or click on this I button at the top and go through that video first because उस video में मैंने सारे concepts बताए हैं. I have given you examples and I have given you a bit of information about what exactly the conclusion type questions are. वहां पर अगर आप concept समझ जाते हो, so it will be easier for you to come up here and understand the solution over here. So just go there, come back and see the solution. Okay, so the question number 2 says the United States government generally tries to protect the valuable natural resources, but now I have always been saying this that whenever you see the structured words, it actually makes a difference. One resource has been ignored, which is that resource. In United States, each bushel of corn produced might result in the loss of as much of 2 bushels of topsoil. Moreover, in the last 100 years, the topsoil in many states, which was one about 14 inches thick, has been eroded to only 6 or 8 inches. Nonetheless, again a structured word. What is the federal government doing? Federal expenditures for nationwide soil conservation have remained at ridiculously low level. So this is a fact, guys. Okay, please make sure that whenever you're searching for the conclusion, you're able to filter out the facts given to you. What is the fact? That the federal expenditure is really less on the soil conservation. Total federal expenditure for nationwide soil conservation have been less than what the allocation of some of the individual states. Nationwide is less than what has been allocated for the single state. So that is a ridiculously low level. That's correct. Okay, so from here I framed a shadow answer in my mind that the present condition of the topsoil is not good in US and the government is not doing a lot for preserving this. So keeping this in mind, which of the following best expresses the primary argument of the author? As I mentioned in the last video, I again repeat, if you haven't watched the last video, please go and check it out first from the description box or the first comment of this video, because there you will understand which are the different question stems from where you will understand that you have to find out the conclusion. So यहाँ primary argument लिखा है, that means we are going to search out for the conclusion. Let's start eliminating the options. Option A says corn is not a cost effective product and substitutes should be found where possible. यहाँ पर we are blaming corn, but why should we blame corn? The conclusion should not blame the corn but should blame the government for not protecting it, right? So corn is not the villain, government is the villain. So option A gone. Option B, a layer of topsoil only 6 to 8 inches thick cannot support the continued cultivation of corn. Just a second, are we eating only corn? No. Are we going to conclude this from the passage ki the topsoil level is getting reduced and so we cannot eat corn anymore? No, I told this multiple times in my shadow answer framing also, that the government is someone who is to be blamed for these situations, not the corn and not the future situation of not being able to eat the corn. तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा tempting है. I agree with this, but still not the correct answer. Coming to option C, soil conservation is a responsibility of the federal government, not the state. The moment I was reading it till the first 5 to 7 letters, I was very much convinced. But the moment I read this, that it is a responsibility of the government, not the states, it is something which is absolutely wrong. Absolutely wrong. So, dividing the responsibility or blaming it upon each other is not what we discussed in this passage. So, option C is also wrong. Now, option D, the federal government's expenditures for soil conservation in the various states have been inequitable. That means inefficient or inadequate. And this sounds awesome to me, क्योंकि यही वो आंसर था जो मैं खोज रही थी. I actually wanted to blame it upon the federal government that they are not doing their work which they are supposed to do. So that makes this answer very much correct in my eyes until and unless I visit the option E. So option E is the federal government should spend much more on the soil conservation than it has been spending. Oh my God. Again, two answers very close to each other, but kaun sa conclusion hoga, that's what we have to find out here. Now if you people have not seen my previous video, tab to aapko confusion hoga, but if you have seen it, then you must have remembered that I told there that the course of action, the suggestions are generally the conclusion for the passages. Now if you check option D and option E carefully, you would see that in option E, there is a word called should spend much more. Should spend much more is a suggestion, is a course of action that the government should do this. But if I check option D में mentioned है कि government की expenditures कम हैं. This is a fact. This is a already stated fact that government is spending very less amount. ये तो फैक्ट है, ये तो क्वेश्चन में गिवन है, तो इसमें हम कंक्लूड क्या करेंगे? इसीलिए when I decide between D and E, I would be eliminating option D and I'll be keeping option E as my final answer, because यहाँ पर हम suggest कर रहे हैं कि गवर्नमेंट को ज्यादा स्पेंड करना चाहिए than what they are doing right now. So that makes it the perfect answer for us. And so this is the procedure how you should attempt all the conclusion type questions coming under the CR or the RCs. If you like this video, please like this video, share it with your friends, and of course, if you're new to the channel, subscribe kar do yaar. It really helps. And of course, yes, I'll be up with more such videos. So make sure you hit that bell icon also. You will be updated about every new video of mine. So until we meet again, please take care and thanks for watching.